Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. Today we are going to see the fuzzy logic based scalar control of an induction motor in MATLAB Simulink. This model includes a DC source, a voltage source inverter, an induction motor, and two controllers, a fuzzy logic controller and a PID controller. First, the motor speed is measured in radians per second and converted into RPM by multiplying it by 30 divided by pi. This measured speed is compared with the reference speed to produce the error. The change in error is also calculated. Both error and change in error are given as inputs to the fuzzy logic controller. The controller generates the slip speed, and when this is added to the actual rotor speed, the required synchronous speed is obtained. Next, this speed is converted into frequency using the scalar control principle. Based on the frequency, the corresponding voltage magnitude is also adjusted using the VF concept. Then three-phase sinusoidal reference signals are generated and compared with a triangular carrier wave to produce PWM pulses for the inverter. In this way, the inverter controls the voltage and frequency supplied to the induction motor so that it can track the required speed. The same system is also tested with the PID controller. For comparison, the reference speed is initially set to 1500 RPM and then changed to 1000 RPM after 5 seconds. With PID control, the response shows overshoot, undershoot, and slower settling. It takes around 3 seconds initially and about 1.5 seconds after the speed change. With fuzzy logic control, the response is much smoother with no overshoot or undershoot. It settles in about 1.25 seconds initially and only zero point 0.5 seconds after the speed change. This shows that fuzzy logic based scalar control gives better speed tracking performance than PID control.